Are you struggling to afford a smartphone? Did you know the government offers low-income individuals and families a free iPhone 13 program? This 2-minute video will discuss the Affordable Connectivity Program (ACP) and how you can qualify for a free iPhone 13. The ACP is a federal program that provides eligible households a monthly subsidy of up to $30 to help pay for their internet service. This subsidy can also be used to purchase a smartphone like an iPhone 13. To qualify for the ACP, you must meet certain income requirements. Your household income must be at or below 200% of the federal poverty line. You must also participate in one of the following government assistance programs: Medicaid, SNAP, Supplemental Security Income (SSI), Federal Public Housing Assistance (FPHA), or Lifeline. If you think you may qualify for the ACP, you can apply online at the ACP website or by calling 1-877-836-0912. You will need to provide documentation of your income and participation in a qualifying government assistance program. The ACP is a valuable program that can help low-income individuals and families stay connected. If you think you qualify, we encourage you to apply. With a free iPhone 13 and affordable internet service, you can stay in touch with loved ones, access important information, and explore new opportunities. Thanks for watching.